What's up, everybody? God bless you all and welcome to another video. That's what you are seeing right there is guandules, rice. I don't know the thing you guys say, whatever you say. We call it guandule, okay? Guandule with coconut milk, okay? Um, you see how nice it look that? So now I'm gonna show you how I do that and what I use for that. Look at that. I use this oil, this thing right there, celery, okay, this sopita, lo de pollo Maggi. There is you see, I have this one that was just an option to make it easy and whatever, but normally I use the milk, the coconut milk separate. I buy, this is the completo, we call it, okay. There it is. This is my season. I blend the season, but this one is already done. All right. There, you already see ajo, cebolla, and all my situation is right there. This thing, how you call it, I don't know, but you already see it. You already know. Perfect. There it is. I already put the onion, and then I realized, I say, oh yeah, somebody asked me to make the video for it, so here we go. There we go. Put your situation right there. Assume you just start the stove. You just put that. Perfect. So the thing can get just to cook the flavor, the seasons. Okay, that's what I do. That's the trick of this thing. Cook the season. All right. Perfect. Put your sopita. There it is. You sazon, season, you call it. Aha. The thing. Move the thing really nice. Slow motion the fire, okay? Slow. Go too high, buddy. Don't burn the thing. Alright, there it is. Put your sopita. Yeah. Take it easy. Right there. Chilling. Put another sopita. In this one, I use like 2.5 or 3 because it's a lot of rice I'm gonna do, okay? It's a big pot, right? So it's not only, I don't waste my time cooking a little bit of food, okay? I don't do that. You do what you think, what you want. There it is. Put the little thing that you already know the name. I put this. When I have the other one separate, I'm gonna show you right there. Look, I put the coconut milk first. If I don't, yeah, you see? If it's separate. But now it's together, I put the whole thing right there. So you just already know. Move the thing, really nice. Yeah, put the celery. There it is. Some people, you just throw the celery right there, whatever you want. It's just for the flavor, okay? Me, I cut it out, the whole situation, because I like it in the rice, okay? And I eat it too. So, because when it's big, I don't eat it if I put the whole thing, okay? So if you like me, you like to eat all them things, onion, celery, I just cut it out in pieces. There it is. You see? All the thing is boiling really nice. Fire, not too high, okay? Well, but now when I'm about to put, yeah, there it is. This thing, I don't know, I forget the name, but you already know what it is. You just put it. Put everything right there while the thing is boiling. Really nice. It's the time, so I'm gonna put the fire a little bit high, okay? And there it is. I put the water. Now move it a little bit and cover the thing with the high fire and whap it. There it is. So leave it there for a little bit, some minutes, at least 2-3 minutes. When it's boiling, perfect. Now when it boils for at least 1 minute or 2, I taste the water, okay? When I taste the water, it's just to find out what I need. You see? I say, okay, it needs some salt, this amount. But when you taste the water, you know what amount you need. In this case, I put my water, my salt, what I think I need to make the thing good. Epa, and check all this smoke. And this thing, when you see it have the season and all the stuff right there, this smoke, it smells good already, buddy. Okay, perfect. So there it is. There's my rice. You're gonna say, what rice? Okay, this I use jasmine. Okay, I like it. I don't know, I make sure the rice clean, nice, perfect. Put it right there. I think I went a little bit over. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of water. Perfect. Oh, maybe it's a little bit harder still. Let me put a little more water. Okay, now because I add a little bit of water more, I'm gonna put a little bit more salt again. Perfect. You already see. Now move the thing. When you put this, normally I keep it open for a little bit, okay, for at least 5 minutes, and I move it at least every 2 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, so it don't stick in the bottom and it get burned, okay, because normally that's what happens. Okay, when you finish, the thing is a little bit dry, cover your thing, whap it, put your fire medium because it get dry fast. Perfect. You see now it's dry. It's dry. How I know how to open it and turn it like that? When it start to smell, okay, like it's cooking, and now you turn it, and then now you put your oil, okay, so you don't get burned all around. There it is. Whap it. I'm putting it with this spoon because the other one I'm using right now is that hole, you know, I'm gonna get there. So there it is. Just one little stuff so the oil get all over, and you see now cover the thing. Whap it. That's it. Now you can leave it there for anytime you need. You see? So it's dry. I put it in low fire. Perfect. Look how nice it looks, this thing, right? Yeah. Okay, now you're gonna ask, how I know when it's cooked, when it's ready? Okay, how I know it's ready? Buddy, when I look at that, you see, it's open. When you see it get open, like it's split like that, you already know that it's cooked, ready to eat. So I hope you all enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one.